I want to begin with a question. See what you would do. On the top of the mast are some of the most delicate instruments on the boat. Instruments that send down information such as the wind speed, the wind direction. We have a antenna up there, the VHF antenna, which is extremely important to communications between ships and ships. Now, where would you put the connection between the wires that come down and these readouts, these electrical? Well, the nincompoops, they put it right here in the anchor locker. See all that chain down there, and then you've got all this rope here, and then you've got this second anchor, and one of the wettest places with all this completely sopped. Okay, now watch this. This is where they put all the connections, right there. You know, it's probably the nasty crew that did this, that somehow loosened these connections. Oh, God. I gotta find that nasty crew. Anyway, it's retaped. I'm gonna go and test to see if that. Well, I can't test. Nobody's out here to talk to. This is the halyard that holds up the jib, and I'm going to move it about an inch, and that, as I explained before, is to simply move the chafe point every day to a different place, even though you're only moving an inch or a half an inch. But every turn, woo! Oh, that's very nice. Well, after being in that that very nice locker over there, this is a welcome relief, I'll tell you. Couldn't be better. Middle of the Pacific, beautiful calm day. Well, this is the daily log. It's June 5th and a glorious day. This is what I'm dedicating this to what I had expected a lot, if not all, but a lot of the Pacific to be like. I've had a delightful day. It's the day we dedicated to taking a look at all the various things that keep Shearwater going, excuse me, in a 24-hour period. The phone hasn't allowed me, but I'm glad I found you. Good, good, good. Did you have a good day? Yep, pretty good, pretty good. The sea's all calm for today. It was wonderful. Almost flat. So, did a lot of video today, and just want to send you my love and to give Mango a big hug for me today. Twice a day, 9 o'clock in the morning, 7 at night, we have a net of all the vessels that are underway. And we all sign in with the net control, of whom I'm on Sunday normally, for instance, and the net control writes down the position of all the boats, such that if suddenly one of them disappeared, somebody else would know the last known position. Shearwater. Good evening, my position is 07 degrees 42 south, 133 degrees 55 west, winds southeast 6 knots. Over. Well, the daylight is ending. It's a beautiful sunset right out the window there. And the day is sort of ending where it began, and that is now we are going to shift from the daytime electrics, daytime settings of the boat, if you will, to nighttime settings. So we're going to turn the GPS and radar on. You know what those do, obviously. Radar is our is our watchdog during the night. We got to turn the running lights on. Those are the three lights that that show the outline of the boat in essence, and an anchor light. Now again, that's navigationally not correct, but it shows it's the tallest thing. It's 65 feet above the above Shearwater. We're going to take our strobe out, and that will blink all night. Turn on the radar. And there we have ready to transmit. We turn on our safety, and there we are. And again, no boats can come in to that red circle surrounding me in the center without the alarm sounding. So radar is on, the lights are on, the strobe light we're going to put out. A beautiful, beautiful day goes to rest. All okay in the engine compartment. Hear that sound? That's music to my ears. That means that the emails are coming in. And so we're getting emails and we're sending them out. But that sound, this raspy sound, that means very good news. We're not alone. Thank God, we're not alone. To end the day, culinarily speaking, we are going to have spinach soy. This is rather a good Indian concoction, and when I really don't feel like I just can't find anything that tastes good or sounds good, this often does. We're about 3/4 to our 24 hours on Shearwater, and I'm tired, so I'm going to have a nice sleep, I hope. I've got my nice soft pillows, ears tuned in to any alarms that might go on, and look forward to getting some good sleep, at least small sections of sleep. Relatively comfy. If it wasn't for this horrible creaking, it would be darn right luxurious here. So we're up at, it's 3 o'clock now. I've just checked the batteries. They're low, so I'm going to have to turn on the engine, and I want to try and get that wind generator turning. I don't know why it's sort of stuck, but we need to get that turning, get as any amps we can get, even though it's producing very little because it's a following wind. All right, off we go. Get those engines going.